Hello friends, good evening. Today I'm coming up with a very fresh topic for Odoo barcode management in version 16. Odoo has introduced a very good policy in terms of controlling everything in barcode from receipt to delivery. So here you will get a dedicated option to barcode app management during receipt option. So I'm setting my policy. I have to scan my product mandatorily when I'm receiving it. No lot number, serial number optional, no put in pack, no destination. And same way I'm putting my policy for picking also, like I would like to scan the source location mandatory, then product yes, load serial number optional, and then I would like to do put in pack and then forcefully put in pack all the pack before I'm doing my picking and delivery. And in delivery I'm configuring no source location scan, just product scan. That's it. Okay, so here let's start with purchase order. Okay, and let me create a new purchase order from any vendor. I'm trying to get cookies, 10 units, and then muffins, 10 units. If I buy 12, it will go for packaging also, one box. I confirm the order, and then here I'm going into my this barcode applications. Okay, and then I'm opening my barcode and going to go to my receipt operation 62. So in operation, in receipt, I will go and open 62 number where it is asking me to scan a product. So my products are cookies and muffins. Alright. So first I will go and scan my product muffins. So it will scanning. I can simply go and then check, oh, it's at 12 units a box. That's it. And I confirm. Okay, and the next part is I'm going and scan cookies. So I'm again scanning cookies. So it will say 1, and then either I can just press +9, it is done, and I simply validate. So this operation is very simple and sweet. It is done now. If I go to my backend, just refreshing it, it says done. So item is in with me, and now I am processing my sales order for the same item. I am selling cookies, let's say 20 units, and I am selling muffins, let's say 30 units. Okay, I confirm it. I go to delivery. So it is in waiting stage because I have set like it should be manually trigger the check availability. So when I am going into my picking, I will not find 26 number over here in my list. As soon as I press check availability, it is going to reserve my item, right? I go back and come again into picking. Now I can see 26 number of picking, and now it is asking me to scan the source location. So I go, and my source location is retail shelf B, if you can read on my screen, right? So retail shelf B, first I will scan that retail shelf B. So it will scan both the item because both are on the same location, muffins and muffins, which is reserved right now. Okay, and then I'm go and scan my muffins as a product. Okay, so it is scanning. I just press here and then I press here, everything is done. If I try to validate, it will ask me all products need to be packed. So I do put in pack and then validate this. And it will asking one product were not processed at all. Yes, because the another product is cookies. It is not reserved. Okay, we will check why. Okay, it is not in pickup location, that's why. So I say create a back order, and now the order is done. If I go back to sales and coming back here, it is in my delivery and it is having one more in waiting. where it is not reserving my item, because if I go and check my product availability of cookies, where it is, so it is in shelf 1 4 unit only, and then it is everything in stock. So what I will do is I will go back to my order again. Okay, going to delivery, and then simply here I have now Liberty, and then check availability. It is reserving my item. Very simple. I go again into pickup number 27, and now I can go and asking to scan my location again. So this time location is OGJ stock. Okay, so here is my location. First I will scan the location stock, and then it will ask me to scan the product. All right, so I'm trying to scan. Wrong product. Oh, it's wrong. It is not reserved for this transfer. If you want, I can add it, but I say no, 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 I don't want to add wrong product. I will go and scan my right product. Okay, so it is reserving right product. I say it done, and then it is asking scan a package or put in pack. I don't want to do anything, but it is asking me to be packed. Okay, because that is the rule from picking. I should have to put in pack, and then only I can validate it. So both items are picked now, and then I will be on next stage, output to delivery. So here in barcode, the next is delivery order, which is 44 number, which is here 44 number. I'm going into 44, and it is asking me to simply to scan the product. Okay, so here I'm going into scanner, scan my first product, I get it done, and then I am going and scanning my second product. It is again done, and it's validated. Very simple process. So how effectively you have set your barcoding policy. Based on that, now you can make your orders done. So it is done. So from receipt to storage to delivery, it's very simple. You can observe here, right? So this is the new change where you can control operation level barcode management and operational level, control over what to scan, what not to scan, put in pack, and everything. And source location or destination location scan is allowed or not. Hope this will help many people. Thank you.